Hey guys, this is Josh again. For today's video, guys, is we're going to unbox and do our initial review of this Aolon Watch GTS3. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes, guys, we have here a new smartwatch from Aolon. This is the Watch GTS3. So I got this one, guys, and as you can see, it supports Super AMOLED screen display, and it's 1.85 inch. Okay, so this is the box, guys, and by the way, this is the QR code for their Apex Wear. So for if you want to connect, just scan it right in the box. And then we have here the quick specifications. So we have here the screen resolution, which is 390 by 450, and the Bluetooth version is 5.3. So without further ado, guys, let's open the box. So here it is. Okay, we have here the Aolon branding. I really like the Aolon branding, and there's even a their quote here, or a saying from them. It's keep striving, and I like that because this time we've experienced lots of challenges, but we have to really keep striving. All right, so let's take this one out and let's see what's inside. So we have here they have the free screen protector. Okay, that's it. And the Aolon watch branding, here it is. So if you have any questions, feel free to check the manual. Also, we have here the charging cable. Okay, as you can see. And so then, guys, this is the watch. So this is the strap, and I like because they still have here the Aolon branding, and of course the keep striving quote is still here, and I really like this one personally. And this is the charging pins here and the sensor, and on the we have also here the crown, right? So here on the left, so I think this is speaker grill, and on the right, so you have your crown and the power on and off button, or this is more like the shortcut for the exercise. So let's turn it on, guys. Alright, so it says there, Aolon, keep striving. And as you can see, we have here the screen. So let's check the watch faces. So when you actually move the crown, guys, so you have here, you can change the watch face. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we've got 4 watch faces. And we swipe down. Okay, let's try to swipe down. So we have here the different shortcuts. Swipe up for messages. Okay, when we swipe to the right, so you have here the shortcuts, and we swipe to the left, so you have also here the different widgets. Okay, and I really like, guys, because the screen is very clear. So even when you're outside, it is still clear because of its AMOLED screen display. So let's try to tap the crown. Okay, so we have here the different features. We have workout, heart rate, activity, sleep, stress, telephone. We also have here the SpO2 for oxygen, breathe, weather, calendar, SOS, voice assistant, alarm, stopwatch, timer, calculator, camera, music, notifications, find phone, and flashlight. And in the settings, so we have here brightness, theme, watch face, timeout, time set, vibration, language, QR code, Bluetooth, power saving, and always on display. It's nice. And we have here the information about this watch. So Aolon GTS3. Alright, and actually, guys, I have already used this product for a couple of weeks, and all I can say, guys, it's really nice. And also the battery, it can really last you guys for even 2 weeks without even charging. And Wow, that's really nice for an affordable watch such as our Aolon Watch GTS3. And also, it doesn't feel heavy, guys. So when you're wearing this one, it's quite light. So it seems like you are not really wearing a smartwatch at all. So it's very convenient. And if you're looking for a smartwatch that really suits you, and if you want it really simple and straight to the point, then this Aolon Watch GTS3 is for you. So let me know, guys, about your thoughts about this watch. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. And if you like this video, guys, can you click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.